Okay, guys, someone just messaged me yesterday. If you were starting your trading journey from zero once more, what you will learn and what you will be doing, right? Okay, so that was a very good questions, right? Okay, so let's see, right, what I think. All right, firstly, for technical things, maybe if I was starting my trading from the zero, right? Okay, I would learn a support and resistance. All right, okay, and maybe a trend to find the directions of the market, right? Okay, so whether the market is in sideways, bull run, a bear run, right? A small trend, how to draw the trends, right? Okay, and most probably for the execution part, right, that becomes a technical part, right? For the execution part, exact entry, exact TPs, and exact stop loss. All right, okay, and how to have patience to hold for your TPs, right? Okay, so maybe that one, right? And for the execution part, one more time, right? Okay, so maybe a small breakout, right, and retest. I would love to learn about the retest and confirmations of the retest. All right, so we get the exact entries, right? Okay, so maybe that is the one thing. And for the technicals, right? Okay, and I would love to maybe I will go for the one setups, right? Maybe a breakout strategy, right? Okay, so if I was learning about the breakout and retest, right? And the next thing is I would love to take one journal, right? Okay, everyday journal, right? I would be doing that one. And the simplest thing, the next thing is I would love to go back and find one job, all right, at the same time. Okay, so and keep learning about the trading, right? So I think that the basic things that I would require is this one. And maybe for the execution part, one more time, right? I'm going for only one trade in a day and one asset in a day. All right, not going for the multiple asset, just trying to trade only one asset and taking one leverage, maybe one size, right? Okay, the minimum size as possible, that would give me the pinch, right? So overall, for the technical things, support and resistance, a trend line, right? And for the execution part, exact entries, stop loss and targets, all right, and just to find the breakout and retest, right, and confirmations of the retest, right. And for the general, my that is for the outside things, right, maybe a job and taking a journal. I would love to do these things, right, for if I was trading, starting my trading journey from the zero, right, guys? Okay, so maybe uh this is just what I feel, right? Okay, so have a good time, take care, signing off, Dragon.